Welcome to Arlington, Texas, a city filled with exciting family-friendly activities. Whether you are a local resident or just visiting, there is no shortage of fun in Arlington. In this video, we will explore some of the best family-friendly activities you can enjoy in this vibrant city. Our first stop is Six Flags Over Texas, one of the most popular amusement parks in the region. Get ready for non-stop thrills as you ride roller coasters, enjoy live entertainment, and cool off at the water park. Six Flags Over Texas offers something for everyone in the family. Next, we visit the Parks Mall at Arlington, a shopping destination with a variety of exciting activities. Take your kids to the indoor play area, enjoy a movie at the state-of-the-art theater, or challenge each other to a game of laser tag. You'll find endless entertainment options in this family-friendly mall. Arlington is a haven for sports enthusiasts. Catch a baseball game at the famous Globe Life Park or watch a football match at the iconic AT&T Stadium, home of the Dallas Cowboys. Whether you're a fan or not, the electric atmosphere of these sporting events is a must-experience for the whole family. For a unique family outing, head to the International Bowling Museum and Hall of Fame. Dive into the history of bowling, explore interactive exhibits, and even try your hand at a few frames. It's a fun and educational experience that will entertain both kids and adults alike. Lastly, we visit River Legacy Park, a scenic nature preserve perfect for outdoor adventures. Take a hike along the trails, have a picnic by the river, or let your kids explore the playgrounds. With its beautiful landscapes and abundant wildlife, River Legacy Park offers a serene escape from the city.